Hi guys! Thanks for joining me on my channel, OL Cosmetics. Here we talk about making different skincare products at home, DIY, also along with making the facts and business behind making the skincare products in case you want to start your own skincare line. Now today we are going to be talking about, today's our second part in our 3-part series on things you should know. First part, we talked about emulsions and solubilizers. So if you missed that, go watch the video before this one. This video, we're talking about humectants, occlusives, and emollients. It should be pretty interesting. And then the third part of this video will be all about the skin, the different layers, and how our ingredients affect them. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to talk about is an occlusive. What is an occlusive? Well, you know those lifeguards back in the 80s, they put the white zinc on right there and it just stays, right? It doesn't move. There's no sun getting through that. It's just white, 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 white. That's an occlusive, okay? It creates a barrier on your skin where moisture cannot get out. Can also not get in. So it's always important to remember. These are usually like waxes and gums. So in my body lotion bars, my occlusive would be the beeswax. Okay. Now the thing about occlusives is they don't usually feel that great on the skin all by themselves. They kind of sticky, a little draggy. You know, think wax, zinc. So they're usually paired with emollients. What's an emollient? Well, an emollient will provide some occlusive properties, but the main function is to help soften the skin. Doesn't that sound great? That's what we want, right, guys? Common emollients include all your butters, your oils, lipids, fatty acids, anything like that can greatly change your product. So your emollient is what's going to soften the skin. We want that. We want the fancy butters and the fancy oils, and they all offer different vitamins, different fatty acid profiles, different lipids, and that's kind of something we'll talk more about when we talk about the skin in the next section, okay? So after emollients, we have humectants. What's a humectant? You might have heard glycerin's a humectant, right? So we use glycerin in a lot of things. Well, why is it a humectant? It's a humectant because it actually draws moisture to the skin. So there's, you know, little water droplets and stuff floating around in the air. Humectants actually suck in that water from outside, from this air environment. It really works if you live in a humid environment. We're in a little bit drier climate, but it still works. And it attaches to the water molecules in the air and sucks it in and brings them to your skin. How great is that? So we always want to make sure we're using humectants. Types of humectants would be like honey, glycerin, aloe vera juice. I use aloe vera juice a lot. I use glycerin a lot. Hyaluronic acid is one you're going to be starting to see me use a lot because it's an amazing humectant. It really plumps up fine lines. It's better for the face, you know, than the body. But that's a great humectant for the face. So those are just our 3 things we're covering today. Humectants, emollients, and occlusives. It's a short, sweet video to give you a little bit more information about that. Follow me Instagram, OL Cosmetics. Like my Etsy shop, OL Cosmetics, and subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you have any questions about any of those 3 things, or if you want to ask any questions for your next segment on the skin. All right, guys, thanks so much again. I'll see you later. Bye.